In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell gift cards with Stripe payments. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Product Catalog. This is where you can create and manage the items you want to sell through Stripe. Inside the Product Catalog, click the Create Product button. Stripe will then open the Product Setup page. Here, enter the name of your gift card. Choose a clear name that your customers will easily understand. You can also add a description if you want to include extra details about the gift card. This part is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to explain how the gift card will be used. Next, add a one-off price for the product. Since this is a gift card, you will want to enter the value you plan to sell. For example, this could be a fixed amount such as $25, $50, or another value that fits your business. After entering the price and confirming the product details, click Add Product to save everything. Once the product has been created, open that gift card from your product catalog. You will now see the product details along with its pricing information. Find the three-dot menu next to the price you created and click on it. From the options that appear, select Create Payment Link. This will allow Stripe to generate a direct checkout link for that gift card product. Stripe will then show you the payment link settings. Take a moment to review these options. You can adjust the settings if needed, depending on how you want the checkout experience to work for your customers. After reviewing everything, click Create Link. Stripe will generate a payment link that you can use right away. Copy that link and share it with your customers. When they open the link, they will be able to complete the purchase for the gift card through Stripe Checkout. This makes it easy to sell gift cards without building a separate checkout page from scratch. Once your customers receive the link, they can purchase the gift card just like any other product. This is a simple way to start offering gift cards through Stripe payments using tools that are already built into your dashboard. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.